Hello everyone, myself Jyoti Bairagi. My topic is IMPET diode. So we will discuss introduction. The full name of IMPET diode is Impact Ionization Avalanche Transit Time Diode. This diode also called Reed diode. The original proposal of IMPET diode is given by scientist Reed. It is a high power microwave device. It is frequencies of ranges 3 GHz to 100 GHz. It is two terminal semiconductor device which works in reverse bias. They have negative resistance and are used as oscillator and amplifier at microwave frequencies. High power capability. Symbol of IMPET diode. This is a symbol of IMPET diode. IMPET diode idea proposed by William Shockley 1954. Second, Reed proposed PNIN diode structure 1958. Third, first IMPET diode oscillation produced in 1965. Structure of IMPET diode. IMPET diode can be made of gallium arsenide, silicon, or indium phosphate. This is a vertical structure of IMPET diode. This is a anode. This is a cathode. This is a metal contactor. This is a N-type layer. This is an intrinsic semiconductor. This is a metal contactor. The original proposal of a microwave device of the IMPET type was made by Reed. The Reed diode consists of two regions. First region, avalanche region. Second, drift region. Avalanche region, a region with relatively high doping and high electric field is called avalanche region, in which avalanche multiplication occur. Drift region, a region with essentially intrinsic doping and constant field is called drift region, in which generated whole drift toward the contact. This is the high doping electric field, and this is a avalanche region, and the other side is a drift region. Third point, working. IMPET diode works in reverse mat. Its working is shown in figure 3. At first side is connected to positive terminal battery, and P is connected to negative terminal of battery. Now we start applying voltage. When we increase the voltage from a finite value, we find a condition where current largely increased. This where breakdown happen, there will be highest electric field in PN region. Due to this highest electric field, extremum charge generated in this region. Those carriers could be holes, and those carriers could be electron holes, will drift P plus region, and electron will drift n plus region. So other than avalanche region is drift region, and current generated in impact is shown in figure 4. AC is connected for reverse recovery during positive half cycle of signal. AC is greater than VBD, then no charge generated and no current generated. But during AC this causes charge generation, and according to figure 3, holes move toward P plus region and electron move toward N plus region, and current generated according to figure 4. There is 180-degree phase difference between current and voltage. Fourth point is characteristic curve of impact diode. This is a forward bias characteristic diode. This is a reverse biased characteristic, that this is a voltage, this is a current. Fifth advantage, of impact diode. First, high power capability, and the second, low power reader system. Sixth disadvantage of impact diode. First, high noise figure. Second, high operating alarm. Uses of impact diode. First, an impact diode is used in high frequency microwave electric device. Second, impaired diode include negative resistance, which are used as oscillator